May adlaw sa tanan, another day. Flower na sa nat na lang yun gahapon. Flower ako. Hilig na yun siguro kong flower no because it makes me happy. Bitaw, gahapon, nagstorya ta about kana bitaw, same fit nga schedule ni mo if mo apply mo ESL company. Fix ba? Or kanang, sa ito ako isulti kapon, flexi. So, para na ako, what works for me is flexing a schedule because as I am a mother, so from time to time I need to take care of my mga anak even if dago na sila, and also sa balay po magluto, maglimpyo, maglaba and everything. So mas suitable na context ka. Of course emergencies and alike muna man di ko pwedeng fix, although masinat ang fixed schedule kay sure ang pay. Well, sa flexi man good is per booking, like per student. Like for example, if wala kay student, wala kay bayad. But if na kay student, na kay bayad. So like for example, sa kung is 25 minutes. So if na kay student, na kay bayad ana. If wala. So ang amo ading class schedule, I mean minutes di ay is duration kay duhara 25 minutes and 50 minutes. So I don't know with other ESL companies, but some mo na siya. And the good part is naanay mga lessons, mga modules and everything, so you don't have to prepare na nanatanan. So the student will just choose unsa iyang gusto pilion na lesson. It could be reading, it could be grammar, or just purely conversation. So you just have to make sure na i-deliver nimo imong best sa kung unsay gi-ask sa student nimo. Okay? Muna siya. And then make sure na ready imong mga online dictionaries, online pronunciation ng mga websites, because sometimes you really need to kanang be resourceful ba kay naasay pangutana nimo then di ka sure sa meaning ana. So online dictionary helps a lot. I use Merriam-Webster, the free dictionary.com. It's kaning tulo ang ako permi gamiton, and of course karon ang kaning bitang Microsoft Copilot, kaning AI nila, it's really good and it amazes me because sometimes diha na lang kumukuha tanan meaning, synonyms, antonyms, suggestions na mga example sentences, and it helps a lot. So I hope it helps, especially for those beginners sa pag ESL, and good luck. And I've been in this industry for 13 years, so at first yun kapakapag yun na. I've been sanctioned a couple of times to bago pa ko, but don't give up, don't be